Hello, my name is Sebastian Meyer, and I'm representing a group of professionals, engineers, schools, and trainers in the field of agroforestry. All of us attended 2 training sessions on syntropic agriculture in southern France in autumn 2021, which inspired us to share with you our vision of this new powerful and life-respecting farming technique for the Mediterranean region. Originated by Ernst Goetsch in the 1980s in Brazil and being philosophically based on unconditional love and cooperation, syntropic agriculture is an agroforestry technique in which farming interventions are derived from natural processes in their form, function, and dynamics. It involves a complete change of paradigm and proposes solutions to unsustainable land use, climate change, and biodiversity problems. In syntropic agriculture, we plant a highly diverse consortium of trees and other plants with asynchronous life cycles that occupy different strata to imitate the natural processes of succession and stratification. Each plant finds optimal conditions of light, time, and space to grow. This leads to a maximum of photosynthesis, high density, diversity in productivity, and healthy agroforestry systems overall. Organic input comes from the system itself, thanks to pruning and permanently covered soils. The selection of species of plants is determined by the crop choice, shade tolerance, and ecophysiological functions of the support plants to create syntropic agroecological systems. The management of the agroforestry system aims at keeping the tree growth rate high by either pruning, harvesting, or selective weeding. Such actions trigger chemical signals in the rhizosphere of the trees, telling them to become more vigorous. Consequently, the trees increase the photosynthesis and absorb more water, leading to higher fertility and quality crops. All of this with minimal external inputs, irrigation, and no use of pesticides. During the workshop, we applied the principles of syntropic agriculture to a site in the French Mediterranean by designing and planting 5 rows of syntropic agriculture of 25-meter length each. As you can see on the slide, the rows consisted of a consortium of fruit trees, wines, berries, vegetables, herbs, and spices, well adapted to the dry climate of the region, associated with selected, fast-growing species that tolerate pruning. The combination of trees with annual crops allows for short-term economic returns. What are our conclusions of this particular technique? Well, we see that it proposes a change of paradigm and an innovative solution to unsustainable land use practices, climate change, and biodiversity challenges. It is particularly advantageous in terms of system yields, return on labor, soil organic carbon, as it has been shown by Buller et al. In 2021, and it can be locally adapted. We see strong potential in the Mediterranean and beyond, contributing to a diversified agroforestry sector and short rotation coppice models. However, we also see needs, such as to identify supporting factors for scaling, like technology, advisory, but also ethical or political factors. And finally, the need for a collaborative multi-actor work program to be implemented on multiple and diverse sites, which allows monitoring and multi-dimensional evaluations of system performance in Europe and beyond. Thank you very much.